All right. We are headed north up to Lake Erie for a couple days, fishing different spots. Today I got the kayak in the back. That's why I got so much crap. A lot of it's the kayak stuff. Kayak's back there. We're gonna fish West Harbor. Never fished it before. Well, I've like fished it for like the same bank about twice in a tournament right before we're due back in. But I've never fished way back in the channel there, so we're gonna try that. I've heard it's real good if you get on it. So we're gonna get up there for an afternoon bite and mess around there and see what happens. This will be video 1 of the Erie Send if all is well. All right, we are at the lake all loaded up, and we're gonna give it a dangle. Let's go. First one of the day. Oh, he's got a messed up lip. This is a nice hook finger fish. He got all messed up. Little dinker guy. Just a little guy. Slapped at it. Fat though. Fat fish. Get some line out. Little fat guy right there. Go. That's the right species. Another little guy though, just about a pound. Oh yeah, there's a fish in there. Another dinker. Oh, good Lord, buddy. Jeez. Buddy just about got KO'd. We're pretty good at this whole dink hunting thing. Good one. It's a bass. No way it is. Yeah, it's gotta be big sheephead. A catfish? What the? What the fuck? Why did this thing want it? Okay. Calm down, buddy. Me and you are gonna get through this together. Come on up. Good Lord. Well, add that to the species list today. There we go. It's about time. Another 1 pound fish. Might change the size of the square bill we're using. Go to a 2.5 instead of a 1.5 on the way back. See you later, buddy. 2.5 might create just a little bit bigger bite. That was pretty freaking cool. He like came up and grabbed it in slow motion. Glad to see that the 2.5 was a good call. We're already catching bigger fish with it, so that's a win in my book. This is our biggest one yet. He's about 1.5 pounds, maybe 2, on the 2.5 instead of the 1.5. So maybe we're onto something here. He came up and like ate it in slow motion. See you later, buddy. Dink. Bunch of dinks. No, not really. It's just been like 10 of these guys.
I've been cooking nothing but that size off my dock.
Bunch of sheep's head.
You would go crappie at all, did you?
No.
Just curious. I'm trying to find one.
You too. spinnerbait bass, finally. Little dinker. That is our word of the day. Dink. All right, we are leaving the ramp now, and that is going to conclude our day on West Harbor. Lots of dinks. Pretty much all of them were on a square bill. I think we caught one on a spinnerbait. They were all basically the same size. So numbers, not size, but I'll take it for never really fishing West Harbor like that before. But if you guys enjoyed, smash the thumbs up button. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok and subscribe for more. We got about 4 more days up here, so there's gonna be a lot of videos coming out. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. See ya.